Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will try to show you how to create a machine learning, or let's say how to train your model using Azure Machine Learning via the Azure DevOps pipeline. So if you are a data science or machine learning engineer looking to, let's say, streamline your process, this tutorial is for you. So we will cover everything from the setting up the job and everything. All of, let's see, most of the basic information or the main aspect already explained in the previous video. So please have a look in this in the previous video. So what is the our task now is, so we have this our repo here. So we have our code in this main file, right? And also we have some files here, some codes. It's classifier. And let me just go to show you the main file. In the main file, we need MLflow, also MLflow Skyline. And in the classifier, we need the most, let's say, the most important algorithm, let's say, yeah, algorithm, let's say, packages, light GMB, which is fast for training for the classification. And also this one here to split the data and also calculating the matrices, for instance, accuracy and other matrices. So if you see here in the main file we have this important. Let's see, this is the magic happened here. So we load our parameters. Our parameters is also in the YAML file, and which is already loaded here. Now this parameters will be logged via using MLflow. And the next step will split the data into training and test. And this is the training algorithm will be done. This is our model. Now we will try now to evaluate the model on this data sets. On this data, I mean the testing data, only the testing. And because here in the evaluated will be used the, the the testing data. Let's see after splitting. And here I will also look the matrices to MLflow. Also look the model as well, and finally add this log info just to show you this is already finished. Now, if we go to pipeline, let me just show you. If this command is also explained in the CLI command, but now I just copy it to the Azure DevOps pipeline. By the way, I just disable all of these because they created if just to save the time indeed. Otherwise, everything is fine. I also have shown you how to create this in the previous videos. So now if you go to the job YAML, let me just go to copy this and show you, for instance, a new PC. Just go to the to your stuff, and maybe before going to this website. So if you would like to run a code in any PC or any environment, what you would like to have? You would like to have a PC, of course, a PC, Windows or Linux environment. For instance, we are using Python, so I need Anaconda or Beauty. For instance, I'm using Beauty in my project. And also you need a code, right? So this is the main components that are required for the training stuff. And the job YAML file is already explained in the previous video. Please have a look. And if you have any question, just drop it in the comment below. So now I have the most important features will be added. I mean, this is in the previous video, I just used this without streaming. What does the streaming mean? So this command is trying to create a job, and it mean indeed it contains two different processes. I would say just processes, two different from jobs. So in the first process, it will create a job. So what I mean by job, okay, the internet this is the jobs, and you can see here this is experiment, and here this is a job, and it will try to create a job, and in the background it will try to train your model, and sometimes your model it will last few minutes. I mean, in my case, it will last 3 or 4 minutes, and maybe in the big file, in the big systems, it will take few hours. But anyway, so if you would like to do something with the model, so this, as I said, this will create a job, and in the background, it will train the model, and if everything is fine, it will save the output in the result in output folder as explained in the job YAML file. Now, let me see if I would like to use this model. For instance, install the, not install, just download. It should be download. So I would like to download the training model, but training model without this streaming is still not created. It's only creating a job, and in the background it will training the model. So this parameter here, it will force to stay here, to stay in this command. I mean, without, I mean, it won't go here until it's this job is completed. So it's completed from creating and also training your model. So this one here, I mean, this download, it will mainly, I mean, literally will be run only after finishing the job and also the training even in the background. Then this job here will be download. I have the model. Let me just copy this. The model is already defined in the YAML file. So I will, in the next videos, I will try to show you how to make everything automatically, because this is the name of the model, but in the job maybe might be different, right? So let me just show you. Model name is final fruit final model, and it might be different. And if I try to download a different model, it will be, I mean, you will get, of course, error. But I will show you in the next videos how to make everything automatically. So for instance, this name will be taken from the job YAML file. Okay, and what is this command is doing? So download training model. So as I said, after the training model will be saved. Let's see, after everything, if this job is working perfectly without any issues, you can see this is the model. So for instance, you can see here completed with with true or check, and you can see with the output. Our output is this one here, our model. And as I said, if the job is created, I mean completed automatically, I mean completed without any issue, the model also will be registered in this model here, and you can see final fruit final model. So the command next in the pipeline, it tells the AzuML try to download the model with fruit final name and the version. Let me just see what was the last version here. 8 7, so it should be here 8, because the next in the if we run this start, it will try to update the number, the version number will be 8, And here I need to download the latest version. Let's see. Also, this I will try to make it automatically instead of writing this stuff fixed. Let's see, fixed value. I will try to get the latest version of the final model and update this version +1. And we would like to download this. Yeah, this is the model, this is the version, and where to find it in the resource group, this one resource group, and this is the workspace name, also defined in this variables, all of these. And I would like to download it in download path, this one here. So where is this downloaded indeed? So indeed, this will be downloaded in your Azure DevOps pipeline, in your build agent. Sorry. So I have here agent, and let me just show you. This is, for example, this is the latest update. You can see in the source. I will have you will have a look. You will have it here, models and this. So why we need to download it here? Indeed, good question. This is the next step. So let me just. So now this will download the model in our agent pipeline, agent PC. Let's see. And the next step here, Kubi models folder. Is copying the model, the model from resource directory from here and put it. Let me just show you this. Okay. So let me just minimize this. Okay. It will copy the model or copy the models from here. This is the source build directory. This is the source, see, source build directory. It will copy this models. And where to put, I mean, all of the content will be everything here in this file, in this folder. Now, where to put this? The target folder will be build artifact staging directory. So where's the artifacts? Go to this, so directory, and here's the artifacts. And you can see, this is the artifacts. It will try to put it here and under the repository name. And for instance, my repository is called classification. You can see it here, classification. It will create a classification folder, then put everything inside this. Okay, now, and the last step is to push all files. Let's see the folder from this directory and put it here in this in this as artifacts. Let's see, publish artifacts. And you can see this is this is the name, path to publish. With this path, the path is in here. This is the path, right? And it's build artifact staging directory, this one here. And it will try to copy all of these to where you would like to use it. It will be as the name artifact's name. It will be as the repo name. You can also add the build number if you would like, but for me it's fine. Now this is the artifact publish location. So would you like to publish it in Azure pipeline? Will be here. I will show you in a minute what does it mean. Or let me just show you the previous one, the previous pipeline. So if I see this maybe, and you can see published, you can see classification, models, outputs, and all of these. it's needed. Yeah. And now I would like, as I said, to publish it in Azure pipeline, as I showed you here, or maybe sometimes you have you would like to save it in a server. Let's see. If you have a server, you can just put this the directory, the URL here. But for me, I will just copy it. I mean, save the artifacts in this directory, in this in the Azure pipeline. Advanced information, it's not needed. I will see. I'll just keep the default and just save and queue. So someone will ask why I need to save and queue. This is a good question. But now it's only a demo. But in the future or in the real time, let's say in the real systems, this pipeline will be triggered automatically when we have new updates. You will define this stuff. So I have also uploaded some videos on this. So because this will take few minutes, I will try to pause until finishing this. Yo, so as I told you here, so you can go to the pipeline. You can see the pipeline is still running uh, and also stopped. I mean, not stopped, but waiting until finishing the job. And you can see with the job, you can see this is the job, and it's still queue. Maybe in a few minutes it will run. But this is I would just would like to show you what is the advantage of using stream. It will try to wait until finishing the training, but it's not needed. Let's see, it depends on your case. But for me, it's needed because I need to after training, I need to download it, the model, and put it as an artifact, publish it as an artifact. So in this case, I have to wait. If I don't need to do all of this, this is fine. So also because this will take few minutes. Let me just see. It's still queue. Okay, just to show you this. So now I will pause again and see you when it's finished. Hi, welcome back. And you can see here everything was successfully created. So starting from job, and let me just check the jobs. Not here, sorry. So you can see this is our job was finishing, I mean created here, and you can see the matrices of this step already explained in the previous videos. So this one here, the outputs, and the most important stuff is model. After the job is successfully created, you can see here it will be the model name will increase the version. So it's 8, the version's 8. So next time I will try to show you how to use this, the model in the use it for the inference using endpoints. As you can see here, real-time endpoints or patch endpoints. And let me just go back to the pipeline. Now you can see here I have download the model, copied the model, published the artifact to the Azure DevOps. And let me just show you where to find this. So you can go here and let's see this is our no, this is the pipeline we have already finished right now. You can see this is job successfully, and you can see here one published and one consumed. Click here and you can see the 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 artifact, I mean, what is in the in your DevOps in the registry and resource directory models, everything will be copied to here. And now you can share it with your friends. But I will try to show you how to use this in a release pipeline and use it also for the inferences. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If you find this if you find this helpful, please make sure to hit subscribe, like, and if you have any question, drop it in the comments. So I will try to answer your questions.